Hey there boys and girls, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to manipulate the HiNDU shuffle in order to retain a stock at the bottom of the deck and of course keeping it there as long as you please while shuffling the cards and creating the illusion of the deck being fairly mixed. Check it out. I've got all them aces here at the bottom of the deck under control. Let me show you how to do this.
OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe.
Of course, you need to know the real deal before you fake it. In case the HiNDU shuffle still giving you some trouble, check out my in-depth tutorial highlighting the keynotes with the link in the info cards. So with a stock at the bottom of the deck, we now bring our hands together and instead of just shuffling cards from the top, we drop a couple of cards, just as much as we need, into the palm of our hand, and simultaneously we start the shuffle from the top. The key here is really to have them cards drop from the bottom at the same time as the other cards drop from the top. So give it a try, left and drop and shuffle over them. These two motions, they just blend into one another and the eye just can't detect these cards coming from the bottom, right? Bring this to nice speed and you have a beautiful and very powerful working tool at your hands with the HiNDU shuffle. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this watch was worth your time. Smash double combo, like, subscribe and notification bell icon, and rest assured in the meantime, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon.